National Weather Service in Mount Holly has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of New Jersey and east central Pennsylvania, including the following areas in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cumberland, Morris, Ocean, southeastern Burlington, and Warren. In east central Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton. Until midnight tonight, heavy showers and thunderstorms will pass through the region through this evening. Overall, 2 to 3 inches of rain will fall with locally higher amounts possible. A flash flood watch means that there is the potential for flash flooding, which can be life-threatening. Heavy rain is expected to occur over a short period of time. Rapidly rising flood waters may quickly inundate roadways and areas of poor drainage. Streams and creeks could leave their banks, flooding nearby properties. Please monitor the forecast